when you come from poverty, you don't need time to do music because all the musician, they're struggling. This one's not gonna take me out of poverty.
You need to study.
I need to do this. So that was something that I do. It brought me closer to the Lord. So you identify expertise for who's good at. Because
December
the loss of my brothers, they actually what's this word? They changed me. Right? I feel like after the loss was not supposed to be. Yeah, I mean, there was a time at a very young age. Very, very young age. 2004, right? I Google 2004. 10 April. Go Kopan. Right? So imagine Kopan is even your birthday and then getting called that you need to go home because your brother was killed. And then you'll be like, oh, so any spiritual. I only one. So things like those, they also affect you as a Ngushisha. And remember, the brother that passed away at that time, you are starting to come into the working level. So what's that hope? So now we need to start the whole thing again.
Dumelang Abusheni, hello from wherever you are watching us. Welcome to Success Link, a podcast where we talk about anything and everything that affects us as human. I mean, the aim of it all is to learn, to empower, and of course, to be aware of certain things. They say that we get inspired, we learn from other people's stories, and this is what we are doing on this podcast. If you're watching us for the first time, I am Letlokhonolo Wagachweni, all the way from Zanin, Amujaji Munyana wa Mulobedu. So, this is another week with another guest, and, they say charity begins at home. Right. And I find that the guests that I've been having this month are people that I can say they're sort of a family, not family by blood, but by family by, different things that we do in life. My good say, how are you?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you for giving me more Success Link. What a long overdue episode.
It has been long, hey?
But we finally here.
Yeah.
I just want to say I'm really happy and proud of you. I know that you've been doing this silently on pushing, but now you are here. There's huge cameras. We have a team now. You're doing well.
Thank you. And we look good on these cameras. But man, thank you for honoring the invite. I'm one person that whenever the people around me, the people that I engage with, I always pick, something from what they say. And I feel like, this is something that even other people, can learn from this person's experience or can learn from, this person's mind, a way of thinking. But before we get into that, I know you, but I don't know you. So me and my guest and your followers, because I know you are a brand. Some of your followers, probably they're watching this. Comment if you because of Katleho. Just here because of Katleho. Comment. So introduce yourself to our viewers, just who you are, where you come from, and family background, siblings, how many siblings? Yeah, those kind of things. Then we'll take it from there.
As they mentioned, I'm just happy that, of course, I recently started doing music. So half of the people that knows me already knows you because we are more or less from the same background since Kotev. But you asked me very difficult questions for how many siblings do I have. I still don't know how to answer that even today because I'll start by my parents used to have like 7 children.
Oh, okay.
Right? Whom 4 of them passed away.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, three of them, yes. 3 of my brothers passed on, and then we are like 3. So I'm from a family of 4. It's just me, the guy, my big sister, and then 2 young sisters. But I had older brothers that's passed on.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know that. I'm sorry about that.
We still here, we're strong. No. So, Baraki brand, how my brand. I recently started working on music since 2022. Vividly since back then. Record or something.
Yes,
I go around podcasts telling people. There were a lot of people ba khale ba encourage re ka tla, can you just work on music? They don't know that Hlogonolo is actually one of them. Like I knew her since from TEF, ne. I remember ke joina choir ya rock and roll ko pela ka chabanyana ka mola morago ne. Mpotsa, hey Mara, you should come out, So I'm happy and proud of your progress so far. So I'm a musician who's a gospel musician. Ke rekutile album Chepedi. My first album is Wedding Day, which was entirely focused or dedicated to my parents. So the songs ke dipina tšelo kgalabaro pella tsona ka mnyanya wa bona gore hey rena ka when you grow up ka lenyalo la ka didn't have music, would sing this and this and this. So what I did, I sing those songs and then carried into music, find content, and then also where they relate to the gospel part, and then I match that with the Bible to also say traditional gospel is also a thing. We want people to be orientated with God, but also with their own cultures, because I also reference the cultural aspect that comes with being married or that comes within the marriage processes. And then from there, canal album So Khotso Kiewe is my second album, but it's actually my first album where I introduce myself as a gospel artist, where I say Khotso Kiewe, please welcome me, where I preach about the peace or the love of Jesus Christ that So Wedding Day was supposed to be my last album, but I wanted to celebrate my parents while they're still alive, because volume 10 by then so Khotso was actually my first album. It was a Bediela. Just like you are. Where we met, I learned so much Kotef. Musically, I learned about myself. I learned about my capabilities. I learned about my insecurities. Also, I learned about how to just maneuver life in general. So, Eric,
yeah, but I think you touch on a lot of things, especially because there's a certain things that, like I said, I know you, but I don't really know you. I just know you as Katleho. Katla voice of Zana, understand, and the nickname, Kitchavo, you will Katla better, but
let me tell you something. No
problem.
But when you raise some of the issues, for instance, when I only know Katlewa Opel, because a lot of the time I didn't want to share more about me, right? Because I was also knew that I'm different, but I'm not good. And then about the other name Magwinya.
Also, you said it yourself.
You know why? Because it's also, I noticed that it's different to differentiate myself from that name, right? A lot of people know me with that name,
especially
and then
as
I've built a brand. You know what's the most difficult part? So when I learn, and then we look at me, hey Katao, hey Apani, like they refer to me as that name, but they don't tell it to me as that name. But I also noticed the brand that revolves around Magwinya. And then also is a lot of people, but to me as Magwinya than they know Katlego. Now I'm introducing Katlego Apani, the artist who came from Magwinya, who participated, go to choiring, go to Greeking. So that's where the name come from.
The name has been I always wondered, out of all the nicknames, how did this one come from? It's very I've always had that question, but because from how we met, right? Though hi, there were boundaries. You can't just
never know.
Yes, we were not understand. But I think today I've got a chance. Because you said it yourself. How did this name come about, Magwinya?
Hey, I never told this story before. Before to anyone. A lot of people Magwinya, banana and it was not even about that.
Really?
There was a song called Macarena. Hey, Macarena. Actually, I've been an artist. I used to remix that song. Hey, so the name pick up from there. Magwinya was this other guy, a huge brother of mine, right?
Okay.
I'm not sure it's going to be comfortable, but he knows himself.
Yeah.
The guy was actually Magwinya. Because when you sing this song, Magwinya. So but to buy Magwinya because Bachaba
or that one.
Much about that guy because now we just refer each others Magwinya up until it stick. So really name I was still very in high school, primary, like very there still coming up, right? Of course, growing up, being a different person. So I would ask myself, oh, is this a nice name? So there was a time where I didn't like the name, but there were a time where I knew that people are calling the name because this is what I'm referred to. So they would reference the good thing that I do, but using the name to the point where I can't even disassociate my name, myself with the name because now it's like that person you see there, that is not me. I'm this one. But Magwinya is also my alter ego.
Oh, yeah, no, I get it. I think it's the same thing as me with, same with Costo. Now, where I am, at some point, I didn't want people to call me Costo anymore. But like, no, guys, I'm an old person now, although I'm still young. But, but there's certain names that will follow you, regardless. So, yeah.
The Magwinya name also managed to be one of my persona, right? So now on Katlego Apan, the artist. So this Katlego Apan is somewhere at go Aberkelangona. This Katlego Apan ko. But once get to Mokotsena ko lucha swana dikereke moko pelang. So this Magwinya there. So gonna loje logore ngera giduji monna kana ana ore today pulayana kenya kwa Greek. But I'm thinking ore Magwinya ba munyaka. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's also a persona that also it keeps me orientated or okay. I need to know as much as Kikata at the same time. Magwinya because Magwinya udia loche or but badi tabela ba khona go fola moyeng or ba khona go fitlela that that happiness inyane man ka 1 minute uboni your favorite artist. It's just a moment which is priceless, which you can never reproduce or you cannot sell it to anyone. So
exactly.
In a nutshell.
So how was it growing up? How was it growing there? Like, give me Katlego the teenager. Who was Katlego a teenager? At home. What kind of a child were you? And you mentioned what number are you? At home from your siblings, and how was just life with your family? How was growing up? Just those memories from.
How did I grow up, Vel? I grew up nice. I was very nice person. But to be serious, a family of 7. There's my big brother. Then it was Nicholas Vincent.
Oh, okay.
My big brother Vincent. There was my big brother, Big Boy. And then there's Billy. There's this baby, and then there's Billy. Watla, Kokicho. And then there was this is Mesh, right? Our favorite.
My favorite.
So when I grew up in a very typical rural village homestead, right? Father that is out there working, doing what? And then the mother that's trying to steer the ship in the family. And then when I grew up, my father didn't have like one of those decent job of working in the farm. So so I woke up, I grew up in a very common, right, environment. It's about poverty because I don't want to glamorize poverty. But the environment that I grew up, the person I be because I grew up with the mentality that I need to change the situation, right? So, and then when you got you need to change the situation. It means already there's a sense of non-belonging, or you feel like you are outcasted, or you feel like you're in a position still, or had you had different environment, they were going to be handled differently. So you grew up in that one that envied that one has soccer ball. You don't, unless they want to play, then they will borrow you. They will donate the uniform. I for a long time I couldn't even afford the uniform, but because Salgintoma Grekenkele 5 years karata activity kamola the main baby na ko Greken kitsana ona activity ba idianga mola ba re ke mkuku or something. So Salagin rata mkuku ke sa gola. So mkuku wile wang orientated towards being a church oriented person. That is a believer that things will always turn good for the better. So Kogochi get Greeking and then Kogochi Loja sana with the ball on Nagi raga ball bara. I suddenly go. And to my surprise, everybody from my family, they played football. My dad was a brilliant footballer. My brothers played football. Marana. Right. And then kaba aware Kamagwinya at a very young age.
Okay. Yeah.
So Magwinya helped me to also be the person because the confidence,
Yeah.
the support around me. So I'd get people, well, where I was like a very disadvantaged family, but there will be people around me that will assist me because of this little gift that God gave me. So batho ba bantši kgale ba finyelela go ba gofile nna. Mara ke re le go at the same time a ba tsebe gore ba romile ke modimo gore ba tle ba die diphetogo mo maphelong a ka. So ke ne go lela kerekeng ke tlhagaletswa dikhaki, go lela kerekeng ke motore santšhi ke kosheng wa bona. I was like you won't go too late because there's no money. November around this time shelter school fees. Remember we used to pay school fees.
Yes, because had the 200, the 100 and something.
I grew up in that environment, right? So I always had I need to make it mentality. But how I didn't know because the environment around me. Get exemption. Like there's no way they cannot do this, but I have the money. So that thing was always there, but that thing never really stopped me because the pride in me always wanted good things. So like I need to work hard so that I change the situation for the better. So kaya dikolong ke ntse ke ka manage dikolo le dilo tsa dikosha, but the disadvantage was like ke go le tshikara batho ba go right. So I get to adopt a higher mentality than my average.
Yeah, average, yeah.
Wait, what? So that thing to more developer. That's on the character nyana ya wo nyana, hotel nyana, stage nyana. Why won? So there was also that as well. And then also the disadvantage of getting praise at a young age. Kosa khuno go control.
Oh.
Yeah.
In a loho o kwa
karabo what were poi mola o betile spice le go tsabon go shora ke spice ara.
But you know what you are saying is very profound because you know like you say you've been fortunate gore your situation you motivate like I want to change the situation because there is someone out there who just feels that lawyer classing is pointless, you know, and especially I find that boy children a lot, you know. I can now rena adults now. You know, you can see the situations at home sometimes the younger ones, babangwe, it affects them to a point babangwe takes away their confidence. Babangwe, they just give up, they just feel like, hey, mudimu kwa batu babangwe I understand. But then, of which I feel what you are saying is what we need to preach more, you know, such stories to say, you know what, your background needs to motivate you because when now you hold a power, you know, to can make at least a bit of a difference. I can't give up. You know,
it's also depends on how you look at it because now it can also be a very traumatic experience.
Yeah.
What is it? Are you saying I want to change the situation coming from a happy place, or is it like anger that you're being outcasted now, like you don't belong, or like hey, kamu ungishisha. So that thing, like it of course as a child, it will affect your upbringing, your perception over things, because do you want to change the situation because that's what you're born to do, if I were to put it that way, or you want or a sense of belonging, or at the same time that things of you saying or mentioning about insecurities. Is it? I also wanted to change the situation so that the ones that came after me, they don't have to be left out that I felt because Jazbor is not Rujuango Uduma Baiskela and not have right. And then I know how it's like to get Christmas and then people are swinging very nice, and then when you have your if you are like you got a tough fees for January, if you are like so you don't have so you. Can change the situation. It's not even as big as building a mansion or just to get the basics that at least when you are among the group, you're not outcasted, right? Because you're just under uniform. Because they are belonging. But it's even worse even when you're in uniform. It's not uniforming enough.
But it is too nice.
you also need a persona or maneuver.
But then, you know, the reason I think it will hatelela this more. You know, I think you also I hold these sessions every Wednesday, the healing sessions.
Yes,
I know
yes,
you
yes.
sometimes join, you know, and if you check even on social medias and stuff, that's like you mentioned the boy child particularly, you know, because I think maybe because being a woman, I might understand what women normally, how we think and how we see things, right? You know, and now after you told me your background, I'm just now thinking, how do we, people say we neglect, you know, boy, boy child, boy, well, you understand that,
Yeah.
you know, but then I feel from women's side, we are trying our best, you know, as women, you know, to include girls. But then the question that I want to ask actually, having you being there, I can't know,
Yeah. Yeah.
would you say the crowd or how do we now help a young boy now in 2025 who's maybe in that similar situation? How do we motivate them? Like I say, Baba it pushes them to work hard to say, I want to change, you know, the situation. We don't know whether from a happy place or from the place that they want to prove a point or whatever, but at least we can something. Or and then balwar what's one, and then I give up at snacks, you know. So I'm just curious for how do we, maybe if I hear it from a male perspective, like how do we make sure instead of them giving up, they continue to say, you know what, because they may be perfect, right? But how do they continue to say, let me just try to stay on the right lane?
Okay.
Yeah.
They cut the story short. I can say to them, all those things that you wish for right now, they come very, very easily once you've made it in life, right? So a boy child can face so many rejections when basagol, right? They can even start to feel like they're not enough, because also part of being outcasted is part of being rejected, right?
Yes, of course.
Nagana is 5 guys and then go and fell on a girlfriend. It's all more. You understand? You understand now. Your family background, it's against the thing that you're even entitled.
Yeah,
you can't even
that's
get a
true.
girlfriend because
Yeah.
apparently me when about doing. So this thing it affects your confidence. So hence I'm saying the Magunya persona helped me, because Magunya already had so much confidence, but there was a times where I felt like I was so much different than these people that I don't even need looks and this because my personality itself can compensate for the shortages, right? So for a young boy in Ghana, they must focus on the thing that they're good at. Like if because that is what is good.
Exactly. But I think it's a strategy.
You understand?
It's a strategy.
So you show your your strongest point.
Yeah.
At the same time, you work on your weakest point offline.
You know what you said? We actually had another guest. It's a lady. She also talked about how she came from a very disadvantaged background, but she was good at dancing. She was good at acting. So she just let those good things that she's good at take the lead, and then those rejections and nani people start noticing you fast, because there's something that you are also your talents, you know, because she was just pushing more on them. I think
talents can also play factor, but how things like being disadvantaged can also affect your confidence, right? You wouldn't go. Let's say when I grew up from Zanin, you can't afford transport to Linyenye. Hence I'm saying hence the Magunya persona, because they wouldn't leave me out.
We need you.
So now you also start to understand, do they like me or do they like what I bring, which is the dancing and that thing. So sometimes your talents can make you I hate more below than your average peers, because in the corner like there's a reason this guy those guys in my peers, because no one so already when something I'm different than them, and then all one I'm actually better than those, because you cannot also manage your gifts.
You
need to also be able to manage your gift.
Do you remember the day that the first day whereby people noticed you can sing, or you noticed, or okay, all right, you know, do you remember that first day? Was it like, how was it for you, that particular day whereby like, oh, okay, to you it became a realization, oh, really?
I still don't believe I can sing, even today. But I would understand there will be those that preferred to listen to me, right? This other day, re ko kosheng ke Laboraro, right? Ho na le tape recorder. Ke ngwana o monyane ke bina kwa morago kwa. So ba tla go ba recorder that record. By recorder from that tape. So ga re fetsa recorder go Gregging ba itlala. Ka ba itlala this other man of mine, right? Ish guys, I don't want to
Even if you don't mention names,
yeah,
okay,
this
yes.
hot man of mine kopala ndlalela that thing ar mara wa tikwa o opele man o opela kudu o opela ka lentso la gago wa kwagala nyana mara o sane go tshaba nyana wa bona. So I would do that. I remember ga re sa gola go iwa magong, so like re ba bana ba ye magong,
Yeah.
so na ba nong lata ba re o ka se o re shotise ke na ke nna ngwana ba lata kwa gae ka bo 9 mama tsamahela le mushe. So I would notice that what I do is different, but not being confident enough, I wouldn't go out. For instance, also ke fitse bokae ko 4 years mara zang ka ntshela pina one construction.
Really? Really? Like re bona na re bona o leader dikosho.
You must even you can look at the choir that I used to sing. I would lead when the leaders are not there. When the leaders are able to lead, that's when I would lead. Up until people say, mara leader. So there were leaders that leads, and I'll just do things. Maybe leader cannot try a bathroom. But somewhere something can happen.
Really?
Then that's when I would lead.
Really?
True.
And okay, the thing is,
I was so shy. Next time I go choiring we're not aware. I would go choiring Kalabon because Kalam Kibel get on Albasadi, what.
Yeah.
I would not come. I wouldn't even go to the funerals and stuff because with me the confidence was not really bad there. And then I would do it because actually go choiring if it was a recommendation. Someone doesn't go to then they call the leaders, the choir or they must recruit me. It wasn't like, oh, I need to open. Because to me, all this singing thing, remember, when you come from poverty, you don't need time to do music because all the musicians, they're struggling. This one's not going to take me out of poverty.
You need to study.
I need to do this. So that was something that I do. It brought me closer to the Lord. But I never sang with because quite no one perform because Nesanji.
Oh, now I hear you. Also, I didn't. Now I went to the University of Limpopo specifically for one reason, because I wanted to sing it. I remember my brother was so angry because I applied everywhere because the structure, our organization once came, the church structure once came at some when we had it was a funeral, and then I was sitting there like, they're like university. I'm like university. So at the university we do this. I'm gonna go there. My brother actually didn't approve me to go to University of Limpopo.
Really?
He was against it because he knew why I'm going there. And I went there and at some point I was singing 3 choirs at once.
Yo, now my confidence was so bad. Remember you started choir. I didn't even. The only reason I couldn't join your choir was because I just think I wasn't good enough. Remember you started, was it Luswika?
Luswika Tumelo with Mamoloko. Yes, we started Luswika
I couldn't even go to Luswika because with me, I was good. Nigga so comfortable. Hopela kakushi. And then live mentality, you hopela karabasadi. You understand? That's the mentality by Kushi. Remember about in a specific environment, they adopt the mentality. How they perceive things. It is always based on that. So I was not as today being no. Because today I still don't think I'm a good singer. But I've learned to also accept stylistically. I cannot do with the bestest voice, but I can do something.
Can I tell you something? You're a good singer.
No,
you are. You sing well. I think there was a time that I once met you somewhere. I don't know if you remember, near a certain cafeteria. We had a small chat. I think it was for the first time without other people there. I think that's the day that I did tell you because I love I'm not a singer. I'm not good at singing. I think people who are good at things, they love saying that they're not good at them, and those that we can't, we are here. We are here. But for me, you sing very well, and I got the wedding CD, right?
Wedding day.
You delivered. Even my kids to date, the day that I put it in my car, I got it 2023.
Yeah,
22.
2023. It
Was
was
it 22?
2023 because
Yes, I put it there. I'm telling you, to this day, it's still in there.
Yes, because
That's the only music. Unless if I'm playing I'm in another car, I'm using. But in that, there's one particular car. Even my kids know your songs. Like that's why.
Well, yes, because hence I'm saying there's like a stronger point on my music. I also try to make it a very catchy. An average person can be able to relate to the singing, right? Maybe the only reason I never really classified myself as the good singers, or I was always surrounded by good, brilliant singers, right? Kukoshi and Kukai, there's always brilliant singer. So, and then I'm always coming out from the praising, like, yo, my guy, yo, my guy. Even them, it started to make sense to me, or, oh, they were actually pushing me because they also liked what I was doing. And I was like, they're pushing me because, so you understand. So, and then also that thing, each go click. And then also, and with my God-given talent, it was never something that is meant for me. I didn't want to use that to get attraction over me. That's why in most cases, I was attraction for 4 years. The more I was at the back, the better, right? I'm not sure whether I was hiding my background or what, but
or maybe you're an introvert.
Am I an introvert? I could be.
Yeah.
I could be an introvert where just that my life or the thing that I do requires me to always be around. But we could say I'm an introvert because 90% I'm alone. So by introvert, and then I'll do things when do things. And then that's why in most cases I don't like being around people, because at the same time, because now they're gonna start talking about what happened.
Oh yeah.
Right. And then once we start talking about what happened, it defeats the purpose. So I wouldn't want to talk to people before the performances or after the performances, because now the perception affected how the Lord's work should
gonna be done.
Right. And then
but I think it's a good thing, because like you say, sometimes I think you're just a humble person. It's either you're an introvert or you're just a humble person, but which is good. I think it's good, because sometimes, like you say, the way that you're so good, according to me, you have potential to have a larger, people loving your voice and your music, and it can.
If it was up to me,
it can.
If it was up to me, I could have it in a way where I can differentiate the person from the art.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So it's not like I like the art. You understand? But I also, the more I'm doing it, the more I can notice what it's difficult to differentiate the person from the art. So the art requires me to be out there like I am. So that's why I kilika as out as I can, so that people can also learn from me. And also, like you're saying, there could be someone out there who's very talented than me and having the very same difficulties, and so they can also see that they can also be what they want, right?
They want.
Because to 2022, I recorded my music after I had a son, because I also wanted to show to my son or they can also be everything that they want. And next thing I got, Papa was a good singer, or else they could not get the opportunity. So it's better ka kgone ka music ka one. Or if ena ka kgone go fiwa talent ya go draw, talent ya go do this thing, they can always follow their talent, but school first, because school ke sona se kgona go ntsha poverty in most situations. Or they give you enough opportunities that we can choose from. So
no, I think I hear you very well, because when we started here, you said, I'm so proud of you, I know you've been doing this for a while. I personally, I remember when I I love stories and I love hearing people talk. I love talking. In fact, let's say talking it's something that I enjoy. I can talk from Limpopo to KZN without full stop, comma, nothing. One way, raya raboa. I be like happy. You know, but I have so many stories, challenges that even should the day come whereby I talk about them, people are like, what? You know? So I would talk, but someone told me about YouTube, because with YouTube. Maybe you can do, because I used to write. I had a blog where I was writing. Someone's like, oh, now we are lazy to read. Do YouTube. As you see me as a confident person, right? But when I go to YouTube, I tried. I looked at those influencers. I'm like, no, I'm not that pretty. And my English is. Someone told me that my English is. The accent is too strong. Yeah, it's too strong. And the confidence, I couldn't, I couldn't. I'm like, no. I can't. So I delayed. When I eventually did, I felt like, no, I can't do storytelling. Maybe, I just judge myself a lot. And I can't makeup. I'm like, oh, okay, Lord. I just like, let me go teach Kilobedi. I just started talking Kilobedi. And then it's only now, I'm also now getting that confidence. I was not even consistent until a fellow content creator just sent me a message, said, come on. I enjoyed your episodes that you're doing with, you need to do this. I'm like, see. I didn't know you don't have confidence, but I ended up like, yeah, let me do this.
Yeah, I remember. I also told you, remember that day when I delivered the CD, that
yes.
When are you starting a podcast? Because Nenkona wanna broadcasting, that is something that into you. So the issue was not always the talent. The issue has to do with feeling outcasted, or feeling that you're not good enough, or certain people from certain places are allowed to do these things. Because now I'm recruiting music so that an artist. So go feel left out, right? Or when you're from a very disadvantaged background, a lot of things they're being in hide.
Yeah.
Because you know that these things are not meant to be seen by people. But in most cases, the more we try to hide those, we hide ourselves. And then when we're hiding ourselves, we're hiding those talents that we are given. Because now you feel like there I don't belong. There only these people can belong. Because when there was a time where entertainment was for people from Soweto. Yes. The gospel that I'm doing is much more popular Kabatawacha Pretoria. So you could tell yourself, am I not good enough? And the other thing, if you're different, it's still not good, because people, they're just used to how the sound should be like. So this is one of the things that you're also trying to balance, or like, how do I do this at the ultimate of my ability? Who should I impress more, the market or me? So it's still things like this. But confidence is and I still say in most cases, had I known one time,
too much.
Yeah, Ngabi kibideli enough confidence. Maybe I would have used my opportunities, because even when the opportunities came, this thing was not meant for me. It's like, pararo bekara, you understand? You cannot do those. Remember, I need money to change the situation. I don't need to be popular. And then also the people who were popular for doing what I'm doing, their lifestyle, they didn't look like something that I could follow. Right?
Yes.
So that thing, it was not there, because it was not something that is going to bring monetary value. But you know what?
And that time, that's what.
At that time, but needed, when I grow up, I noticed your purpose sometimes cannot only based on the monetary value. So this intusha or emfamunyetla wa go change maphelo a mantši a ile gore le go nka ba tšhelete ntši nka se kgone go wa change. This can precede changing people's life even beyond my time here. Right?
That's
but
correct.
This one is only good for me to change my well-being and my living. So these things, I wish I knew them on time so that I can know how to balance the both. So hence I'm saying, or like people we need, the world need people like us, or okay, it's good, you need to go to school, but if you have a talent in a specific way, follow that.
Don't sleep on it.
Because now your purpose. Because I mean, if ever ya khona gore ka ba a builder, which is your purpose. Ngele le gore go ya gile ka dintlo tse da gileng kwena batho ba robala boshigo.
Ba roba.
Because that's your purpose. Ke anointing yewe molimo a go fileng yona.
Yes.
Bona lo mo khona wa ya ga dintlo ke re botsana mona tshela tse di what mara go roba di.
Yeah.
Talba kala go yena o idea up until the human level. But only God can take you from the human level to something that is beyond you.
And I think, come guys, but we have a purpose, right? And it's a blessing too for those that have discovered their purpose and they're living within their purpose. And I find that most of us, most people, I think even myself as well, Baba, they'll take their jobs thinking it's their purpose. It's not even your purpose. You understand that? I was telling Geneva the other day, I'm like, you know what? I just recently realized what's my purpose. I know someone who knows someone. My purpose is to connect people.
I'm like that as well, actually.
Ask me who you want to know now. Or don't you know what? I don't know, but I'm gonna find out, and I just connect people, and for the longest time, I thought my purpose is something different but something to do with money. But
do you see where the purpose is? At the end of the day, the purpose is all about changing
lives.
Someone's life. So home for contact, someone that I needed. At that point, you changed my life because the assistant that I needed.
You're gonna get from that person.
That's what I needed.
Yes.
So ke purpose because remember, I guess if you notice that I don't even try to get a lot of people because I'll tell you, can you get me so and so? Because I know where you're like the bridge to this.
And I don't mind. I'll talk to her. You're going to listen to me. And
like, you're very so persistent.
There's this friend of mine. She needs what, but she doesn't have money. Are you gonna be able? I recently learned this year. This is
that thing. A lot of people, when they're helping people around you, they're not actually helping them. They're helping you because now they are helping those people because.
Say that again. Yes.
So, negotiate a good, beautiful contract, and then someone agrees to that. Yes. They're not actually helping me. They're actually helping you. Yes. They negotiated because now they're making you to be able to fulfill your purpose, right? Yeah. And then in a nutshell, they're not doing that for that person. They're doing it for you. If it wasn't for you, they wouldn't do it. Yes. Even if it was presented by someone else,
it might not have.
Because now there's a lot of what do you mean? In this spaces now we're podcast because it's you. So right, we help you discover your purpose so that you can keep on doing your purpose to help and reach as many people as I can, as you can. And remember, the more people you help and then they're happy, the reference are
exactly.
Mara go sa thusha ga lefana le bore o to mo phone yana e taba salar ke a bua
sale ya 2 years down until la hlakana lo wena mmolong a re ake o lebala I'm here.
I mean in life maybe it's urgent to you.
Yeah.
But if it's your purpose, anything that is urgent
to someone is also urgent to you. You act on it
because that's your strongest point. So people go in most cases we don't know how to identify each other's strongest point. So kenyaka lo tjulo ke kera ko wena ko someone else. And then if I won't feel get like kiba resentful.
Exactly.
Maybe I wanted the good things or the good things, but to not
a wrong person.
I wouldn't say a wrong person, but to the person that I'm not supposed to, because that person has their own things, which is not what you're looking for at that time. So the best thing about being a leader is like identify good expertise, right? How do I identify good expertise? You see how much have you seen of me being a beautiful whatever musician? I don't know that for myself. So I need you to market me. So you identify expertise or who's good at. Because you identify Mara. batho ba nyaka gore wa go tshwara tšhelete o botlhokwa go phala ba go entertaina batho wa botlhokwa o fanele wa kgobokantšha batho re a tshwana ke choir re 30 this one ke
Everyone has
organizer
their
this one ke the leaders ba their base mara ge re
ba bangwe ke di-member and remember you need members as
you
well.
understand
You-
mara ge re tlhakane holistically that's what make the choir to perform at the ultimate nna re tlo go botsa ra gore ka sopi le re sa ja re ka sopi
yeah,
so someone must make sure that
there's food.
there's foods there. You must identify the good people for the job. Someone must identify. But ba go leader ba kolege gape di kwere. Oh, but ba go leader.
Di-leadera
Wa leader that.
a di kole-
Ara tlwetša so.
di-leadera ke tša o do bereka o di angopediša loser mme lena le kolege.
Not really. I'm saying it in a very jokey way.
No, I
but
know,
I'm
I know,
saying
but-
what now the leader cannot make sure that he's spiritually fit for the performance. They still need to worry about the transport, the food.
Yeah,
the
so there should
bananas.
be other
you
people
understand?
who
You
do those
identify
things.
expertise
Delegate,
for everything,
yes.
right? Mara, a re leader e botlhokwa
o
go
feta
fetisha
ole.
because ge re fetsa go opela mo o go rona go ja. You understand?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, no, I
when
hear
you
you.
identify expertise, this one must know how organized transport. Wo fantšha tsebo gore mara tho cheaper wa kere kae. Wo a tsebe gore like stylistically re tlo apara jwang.
Yeah.
And then nna re tlo wara gore hey tina ka di spice.
Le wela
You
dithina.
understand?
O nyakile ho opela wa mai. Oh,
Ke bone gore
ke nyaka jana
ke go potse re booking ya tsena then ka re ya. But you understand.
No, I get
so
you. It's very
you
cool.
must have expertise. Identify expertise for everything. So a lot of us re nyaka go do everything at once. Ke nyaka re ko opele, ke te market, ke tsamaya ke submit go registration, submit the song and still do my day-to-day job,
Yeah.
which is important.
Yeah.
That's why it's important to have the team. But like you said, as a person, to be able to deal with your own bargaining insecurity, identify your expertise. Ke eng ntho e le gore batho ba ka kera ko wena fela. No,
Capitalize on that.
nna ke re bona le video tša koša re ke lo file gore e monate mara a e tshwane gore ke le gone.
Nna ke-
It's not like I'm not aware. It's not something e le gore I preach. I'm slightly aware, but I don't preach that narrative gore ke tlo fa ka boom
Just
ba
so
kgone
ba
go
mpone gore how
bona.
important
Right?
yeah.
So o mongwe mmereko wa ga fantšhe make sure gore batho ba fana le rena ba gone ke mmereko wa gaga so batho ba bang ba ra ola o kwešiša ola o ka o rapeletša ba aya wena o tsebe nna choir there was this guy I make every day a lot a re wena ko lemolo ka se tlo choir
ba sa o late.
a late ko MBL every day
Yeah.
every practice a etla ko MBL because a bona gore khaire ka mphona ke jang ka gona goba the singing
Yeah.
ke mkho a se ka mkho ile gore go tshwanela motho wa nneo ya go tshwana le yaga so yena nneo ya gage it was be able to identify batho ba ile
and aba le matla gore a tlo o lata wa understand
a sa mfelile pele today I'm feeling pele
shout out to that person.
I mean you know yourself. I mean I don't want to but batho ba ntse ba nthušitše ka lotše philong baka ke ba bantši
ke
I think I mentioned before
Yeah.
120 people they're going to be said.
Yeah.
So it's better just to say
yeah, you are
these
the one
stories,
ke tseba-
they know
you are
themselves.
related
And then
to
ke tlo
the
bolela ka
story.
bona as many places as I can. Just that this time you asked about this
Yeah.
and then I need to do this.
I know. I'm sure ba kushisha.
Yeah, one lot. One lot. But at the same time, about the will by create a starship. The more I ladder, the more now I need to be treated like a star. I was a lad.
La rata VIP.
So in
La rata VIP.
VIP imna VIP mara ka go teenage ga ga go go VIP o nyaka basi basi mbano dra up until you feed because a tsoro why because motho a o pedisha ngwa tseba gore ntho era go idia kua a e tlo ba ka level ye nna ke itsebang ka gona the team is complete ke se re filletse up until
I think that's where then element yeah spiritual growth needs to be in you as a person.
Yes.
Go identify or neo tša modimo. You don't need to have pride mohara jona. Luena, if you identify this is my purpose, you know, purpose remember ke thomo to o rumilwe ke modimo o tseba gore it's no longer about you. O tlo di ente modimo a roma. Ba le go nyako itlisha bonama na mile ke mo ka tsinya dilo. Even the blessings that they were supposed to come maybe not for you but for your generation to come then ke mo ka o sintše dilo. So I want to touch on something ne re tlo tswalela ka music again, but I want to touch on something.
Okay.
Ye we villaging ge re sa thoma. The reason being that I also relate, but I think hearing it from a man perspective, you know, but I really pay attention. So nake nyoko fa attention, man. Little more podcasting. But I wanna, you mentioned that about the loss of your 3 siblings. And I know recently you lost
My
your
father,
dad. Yes. I just want to ask, for that situation, how are you? How are you coping? How, what helped you to cope? And,
What I can say, Gore, the loss of my brothers, they actually, what's this word? They changed me, right? I feel like Katlego Kibileng yena after the loss was not supposed to be. Yeah, I mean, there was a time, na nkile ka kwatela Modimo at a very young age. Very, very young age. 2004, right? I ke ke mangana le Google. 2004, ke di 10 April, ke kopana. Go greke ke tsenang ko kopana. Right? So imagine ko kopanong, it's even your birthday, and then getting called that you need to go home because your brother was killed. And then you'll be like, oh, so any spiritual. I only one. So things like those, they also affect you as a musician. And remember, the brother that passed away at that time, you were starting to come into the working level. So what's that hope? So now we need to start the whole thing again. You understand? So Lamatomo Mudumade, right? And then asking myself, why would this thing happen to me as a believer? Remember, at that time, you're still a child. You are not spiritually enough to handle some of the things.
Such situation, yeah.
Lamatomo, idea at your Lawedi, you're at the most holiest place you can think of. But that thing happened. And then ask for okay, what's happening here? I'm not saying but they're immune to matat. Which are about the person who grew up. Right? And then from there, how do I deal with those things? And from this situation, do you think they can afford a psychologist? We are not even aware of the things like psychologists that you deal with issues like those, right? But you deal with those things with anyone. And then only a very prideful person already is outcasted. You don't want more people to be feeling pity for you than already you're being felt pity. It means most of the problems with Tsaragai go away. You understand? So you need to deal with things like those. Or why does this happen? Why does it happen at this environment? Why does it happen to be my birthday? Every year, moving forward, it's a reminder.
It's a reminder. It's a reminder.
The sad part or the weird part, because I grew up as someone who's spiritually orientated. So a lot of people are not really fully supportive because they know this guy knows God. This guy would love
strong. The words are no strong.
You understand? So you're dealing with those. At the top of that, you must deal with, you must also go geometry. Engel the center is not twice the Engel. You need you need to be able to handle those as well. So you're dealing with those things at the same time. In 2004, right? 2018, around 2008, my first exam, and then it happened again. My brother passed on, right? And it was very bad. And then from there, I needed to go back to TEF to finish Monday. Right? And then once I go structure, go pele. Oh, this guy, what a guy, what a guy. But I'm dealing with
the things that with the world.
You understand? You're dealing with that at the same time. You're dealing with the recent fees or every year you are school or is it next day because there were a lot of people but they didn't make it because they failed to pay the registration fees. And it was very high even when you stay on campus. The next first thing were not Kidlucha. Right? So a lot of people wouldn't know that I'm going through things because already the Magunya persona I can make
which
you feel
is what people love.
I can make you when I can make you feel good when I'm going through the most. So it's part of the purpose. So when you deal with things like those, or like how do you manage this? How do you get to this point? How do you get to this point? So, but we're not glamorizing such stories. And then we're not saying people should love us based on such stories. But sometimes it's difficult to tell where we come from without having to.
Exactly, because they're part of us, and also because there are people who are also going through. Remember that, and when they see, oh, oh, really?
Yeah, and then there was a time where I was like, oh, okay, let me just pause with this church thing because it's not. This is not. You understand? Because you can believe or I wanna. Because there's some you're still young and naive to maneuver or kgone go amogela mathata ao a dirang ka nako eo wa bona. So and then from there otomoya strategy strategy. But fortunately as much as I didn't stop it, I loved that Magunya thing. I would do that. There was a time where I would do that. Mara or spiritually I'm kind of like detached because below isa ukule botlo ke sa putša gore na why garga arno let's say garga batho ba ile gore ba filo ka semoya ba re ba ka bolla tabe go tlhokile o iwane go re ba founile kwa gae ba botse motho a tloge mo a e ka you understand. So you also grow up with a lot of anger, a lot of this, or I know what you know, spana now, what you understand. So this you need to start back again. And at the same time, then was go to school, was zama was school fees, was I might begin to check on or high school. I was already having like a personality or like I'll be the fun one, like you know, I just only that guy who sorry, I win. So mulimu ununtusha or personality yaga can get me across. Like people would do things because it's me, right? Hani it's not like people bayaka on katlisha. Mudimu peta morero wa gage through bona. At that point, they were just meant to help me to put me to the next stage. You know, I'm supposed to go on. So I grew up as that guy angry, very very. Sad or whatever, but I wouldn't show it. Hence, in most cases, I preferred not interacting with people because what exactly because
like,
you understand?
Yeah, because, you know
that time now you tell me like
but I think you know I think I understand now because
can I ask you a question? So what should I say?
Because I know the journey I've been there, I still say we are four. We are four, but
you understand. So that's my story. Like I didn't even know Nrobakai because immediately I said, but now I must come up with the short story. But when I say we just four, does it mean or I forget about them? Do they exist or do they not? You understand? There's also issues like those. So you can never say I'm fully recovered because when I'm doing good, I miss them the most.
Yeah.
As much as I miss them the most when I'm doing bad. Because when I'm doing bad, I feel like
yeah.
But when I'm doing good, volume 2. It's a maya.
No, but I think you know what? We are human. And we're still gonna go through experiences, and even those they look up to you guys. I think sometimes when they know sometimes people can't even that day when you're going through the most, you're just so I think my producer is busy signaling me that I think you know what, I'm gonna start changing my episodes needs to be 2 hours.
Or we need a follow-up.
Yes, so
I haven't even told you about my other brother. I haven't even told you. So there's so much to unpack. But
yes. Can we have 30 minutes? Let's go. We're having 30 minutes.
So that's the other thing, right? 2 of my young brothers, of my brothers, they killed 2. This one just woke up dead. Right? These are the stories that I never meant to share, right? But unfortunately, they make up the persona that I am. Or like, nkile ka lose so much mo bophelong that anyone can walk in my life ke tlo ba sharp because I've lost people ba ile gore
Yeah.
the way ba ne ba nthusa ba tsamaya.
You know what you just said? I said those words 2 days ago. I was actually going through something and someone uleka or no mara you know what the level where I am now. If I lost shares, my sister, I don't care who else walk out on my life. I don't
Can
care.
I tell you the painful part? I lost shares 3 times.
That's why I'm saying
Because
like,
now this was painful because he was the one that we're looking at. So Woki, I was very, very close. So Woki is very painful because now she knows the pain I went through losing this.
these two.
Now Kishichi Kinoshi. Now she's Kinoshi. There was a point where you feel like, oh, I'm next now.
It's not funny, but you make it look
That's me. I try to stay. I don't want people to cry.
anxiety. That
Be like,
anxiety.
yeah. I'm next. Well, la period. One person after 5 years. 2020.
Kat, we're not supposed to be laughing about this thing. You know, the thing is why I'm laughing is because I'm relating. Because I'm so scared of death, ne?
I want to tell you. I want to tell you how that made me take my life. Even today, traumatic because I know the quality of the or someone close to me passed on. So I'm phone like us, we should be like, oh, what's this now? What happened?
What
right?
happened,
And then also it shaped up my life because now I need to live my life in a manner where, Lord, nothing should happen to me because now I didn't want my parents to go through that again with me, especially me, the best of the best, cream de la cream.
Oh, yeah, the cream of the family.
Cream de la cream.
Both are like
The
meeting your
Beyonce of the family. But besides that, because kinna we Lord kono wana le sedi nyana ka nyana. Right? So so I would ask myself what like batswadi ba ba dileng se sekaka ba deserve se tlo because every time when I look at my mom now I see a lady that's lost 3 of his sons which is and it's not a good thing because every time the worst part now I need to do that but still also need me. I must also compensate from the absenceness. I must also make sure that they feel good because I know the pain that they're going through. I'm also going through, but I also need to make sure that I keep them happy. Right? So sometimes Lord, you're giving even more because now you need to make them happy. And whether you know your father, because your father went through the same thing. But at the same time, I can't go too much because I also come out as a very grateful parent. At least that's me.
Yeah.
Maybe na mudimudile or gobeso gore ke ba phumdidikedi.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So they dictate my life. I live my life in a manner where or some of the decisions they're affected by my past. Or if something should happen to me, I'm not going to feel pain because something would have happened. But them they will
feel it. Yeah.
Abasa thoma go dumela. O modimo ho ba dumelang go bona ba modimo ba tobala a bereke.
Exactly. It's very easy. It's very easy, especially when things are not going right. I also no ways you how
no come because that's all why what which our what ba sharp so but you don't know how what ba sharp does it mean ke tla ba ke ba libetši and then it's okay what does it mean batlo boya what's your concept of
because it's era for you are the one's gonna go but baba shalang remember resana le a ke re setšhabane nyana se modimo bile ka understand I wish over sharp for who
I get it what I tell I experience you cannot say you cannot have experience. The more it happens to you the more painful it is
and it's a different person I get and different relationships that we have
so now I think again it means everybody that was relying or looking down on them and then you are the sole one that is remaining there. What does it say? All those things they're giving back to you and then more baggage. What?
Yo.
But it's nice, I can see.
Le di-therapy.
Therapy.
Banna le therapy.
Kang. You can luckily go gola o ka re ke ro ka ra environment le gore it enhances things like those which nke le gore maybe mo wena o berekang bona le di wellness program you na jam you try
She connects and
to do
support.
those things
She connects and support. Ka
le
malaboraro.
wo she connect and support nke re le gona mo ebile re botsa batho ra wana maybe tlo e gona don't think we don't have problem we have bigger problems than you actually but we don't like glamorizing matata because matata ke matata and then re ka se tlogile. But we try to be as best as we can go ba better people, right? As much as my story is sad, but there's actually good, interesting story. I came out well.
Yeah.
I'm not where I supposed or I wanted or I wish to be, but there could be few people that I know or exactly. So that's why I'm always coming out as a very grateful person because things could have been worse.
A sena moruti a sena motho wa mangwalo mara nkopetse lengwe le lengwe ya gore ke tsebe gore ke ba e face gore ke ba Philip but anyway let's go and judge but speak something of gore ka moka tšele di nyakang a kere di tlišeng go morena ka thapelo ya kere ke re ne bolela ke Paulus ka moka tšele di nyakang Paulus o boletše dintši o quote-iwa everywhere ba re ka moka tšele di nyaka le ditliša go morena ka thapelo mara ka thapelo e tletšeng ditebogo because even through these challenges
what do you say in a situation where all those things like my situation happen exactly ke le ko morena I get it.
Ke boledišwe ke nto e boletše gore even though those things happened go sana le tšele goreng o sana le lesedi on the other side wa understand so basically we are saying gore mathata we acknowledging gore mathata a tlo ba gona wa understand and tše dingwe dilo tshwantse di die kare ke nako ya tšona go ya ka mogore sa etse bo program ya bophelong wa dilo jwang but in the very same light ga so o be monyama wa understand there's still another side yo motho a ka e lebelelang a re mara modimo even though this and this is happening ke a leboga for this o phela again ha re no lebela o phela the fact that rena sa phela
what's the one rule that I live off I don't want things to be worse than they already are so as long as mo kileng gona go njwala go phala mo ke tswang I'm still doing bad good and then sometimes I'm not saying modimo mathata ke a mantši but ke no re modimo ke le ba o sa kgona go mfa the strength and the energy especially the opportunity ya gore ke kgona go solve mathata
Paulus a bolelang o ka re Paulus o boletše taba Paulus o botlhale
Paulus I like Paulus I started reading on Paul because there was a song I was working on so I liked where a boletšeng a re no ge re le go modimo re tlo fetoga a ba di bopiwa tše deso right mara o re no go fihla go modimo rena re swanetse go tlhobola mebele ya rena ye nkwiše re apara mebele le godimo mara bothata ba rena batho ba lefase le re sa nyaka go apara mebele ya lefase le a kere ke nako tše ra tlo bolela gore awa le ge metlotlwana ye ge e ka phušoga na leng le ago go modimo but it's difficult to live in pain in this world hoping for glory there it's what we should preach as gospel but a person to person a se ba kae ba ka re no rena re tlo lebela tše lefase le re emetše le ago right
Jerusalem
so nna nka se bolele ka le ago leke ga se ke tlo bolela kang ke tlo bolela ka Diema 30 verse 28 e re modimo ke tše pedi fela ke go kgopela lo tše pedi fela letlhogo ya bofora le fufa a di ntloge mo go nna a kere a re e fela o se ka mpha bodidi o se ka mpha bohumo mphe bogobo ke bojele ka re ke jele ka se go lebala re bona kona modimo thuše kae ka lebaka la re nka tshwara ke tlala go ka mpha bodidi ke tlo utswa ka sekodiša bana ba gago right so I'm saying to you or to people it's even nicer when you get to enjoy the paradise here than when you need to find it when you get to God so we saying God just like God pa o tshoma godimo re fe e kgone wo be rena and then we kgone gore lebaleng a ke nyaka go preach.
Hallelujah.
I don't
Imagine this cool video. Oh, Bella, if you fe mic or rerele. Hallelujah.
You know what? I feel like
the producer told me.
if I go opera, they must book me. Book me, guys. My music is available online, and it's a very, very nice
and unique sound.
I'm a very unique person,
Yes.
very unique story. I like I said, I capitalize on the uniqueness because now you can never dictate the goodness. We all have our own goodness. But how do we show that goodness that we have?
Yeah.
By trying to be unique. Because if you do something that already people are doing, and then but to teach around what you are doing is already available out there.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This was an amazing conversation. And we were so worried. But let me say thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I was not worried that much
Yeah.
knowing you, right? And then we've done this before, right? You're actually one of the first people, Bambu Jongor, kind of willing, exactly your own words. You said I articulated.
You're well articulated.
I did speak, right? So that thing also helped me because now how I do things because now in a manner that is understandable. That's why we're still going to take the very same Bible but interpret it how I see it according to my perception. And thank you for having me.
Yeah, please keep doing the music.
Why did you talk about the
Keep
music?
doing the music. We didn't talk about the music because that's going to be your closing statement.
Oh.
So and keep doing the music and the album. Now I listen to all your songs, right? So I just want to hear briefly where to with music. What can your fans expect?
Yo, guys, biggest stage. But musically, of course, I would like to get growth, right? But ke nrata fela ga modimo a fodisha nna pele and then gore ge ke le fodisha ka pele e fodileng because ge modimo o nna pele ke sa modumele and then go ba difficult gore ba dume. So I'm saying to God, change my life first so that I can continue changing people's life. O buletše mola a re kotlo ya babe se fela sa motlhabeledi a re no ge ba nyefola wena se go fatša tšotlhe. So David says to God, if you change my life, I'm going to go out there and tell the people of the things that you do to me, then that will as well bring people closer to God. So if nna ke le healthy, ke le happy, diketso tsa modimo di bonagala through nna go ba easy ke ba preacher. But to be quite straightforward, my album is coming in
All right. Really?
So again we had Wedding Day, which is my last album.
Yeah.
So I'm actually working on my next project. I'm not sure if I should announce it on camera.
Yeah.
My manager is going to be angry, but my manager is me. I don't know. I'd like to share more, but when a culture, people like still people's concept.
Yeah.
But even if they still, it's fine because gospel is a mudim. I'm not saying but the mudim.
It's okay.
So my album is going to be titled Lerato Khotso le Morao. So basically but I want to focus on the love, peace and grace. Right? So that's my album. So it's going to just also rebucha batho gore no Jerusalem e re gona e re emetše kwa pele. Mara Jerusalem eo e ka dipelong tša rena because go ka sebile Jerusalem ka mo pelong ya o ka tsama dikreke ka go fapana mara modimo ga re ke tloaga wena neng kapaneng o ra go pelong ya go Jerusalem. I'm sorry the producer man. I'll come back again.
No, but thank you very much, Katleho. I'm gonna link your following, your social media on and maybe
my streaming
your streaming link and everything on under this. And then I love your music. I love your music. I'm a fan.
My music is nice.
It's nice,
but I haven't get a cent from it.
Ne. Don't worry.
So if I don't get money, should I stop?
No, I can get purpose. We've got a ghost lady who we talk very well not to speak, but she's speaking. Okay, what is your last words to your people, and then we close.
But modimo ne ke gopela gore batho ba re support ne o dimakatšo tše di diaga mo maphelong a rena di kgone go tswelela because I hate nna ke rate go ba a failure, right? I love to, but I also notice that music success ya gona e depend ko wena because e dependa ko batho ngana ka opela jwang kapa jwang go ba monate but nka se kgone go dictate gore ra batho ba e kere jwang right but for me it's even more better ge music go fitla go maphilong o dia diphetogo right so my last words good guys please re feng chance re na re bontse bokgoni ba rena ke a tseba gore re na le di-preference re da but before the artist that you like was your first choice you gave them a chance for the first time so listen to my album just once and then from there you will dictate but I can assure you there's going to be a song that speaks for you because in my music ke bolla ka dilo tshelo gore di affecta but there's always a song that speak to an environment I can say to you gore no there's a song that ke modimo mo sa kere so on that song I'm saying to you when we are done with all this recording and everything modimo ke ena a tlotla a shogo fatse di kudumela tsa rena so that thing bana ba Israel ba yopetse ge ba fetša go ya ka Jerusalem gore modimo ge wona tsena ka ra tempele shogo fatsa di kudumela tsa rena so we are saying gore kume berekong ya rena ko di podcast wherever that we busy ra design whatever only God can bless our sweats.
Hallelujah. Thank you for watching.